What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are out in the middle of nowhere, Utah, and we actually have a ton of Safari 911s and maybe even a Huracan Storado, and we're going to be taking some photos and doing some off-road shenanigans with them. So let's roll that intro. Let's get into it. Yeah, today we are out here with a ton of other photographers, and we are going to be taking some photos of these Safari built Porsche 911s, and it's just going to be an insane day. We're out here in the Knolls, it's called. Got all these like really cool mountains in the back, and yeah, we got all these Porsches here, and we're just going to be taking them off-roading, getting some really cool photos and videos, and it's just going to be an absolutely insane day. I haven't really done much vlogging, sorry about that. It's just been super crazy busy with the Cars for Kids rally that I just went on. I'm going to actually be making a video and putting that together of everything that we did on the Cars for Kids rally, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But today we are shooting some awesome Porsches, so let's just go check these things out. So we got Tanner's Porsche here, but then we got this really cool Safari 911.
What did you expect? It was a big
Plaid interior, spare tire on the top. We got a 912 right there too. Yeah, Tanner's GTS Cayenne is just so cool, and this is going to be insane. You actually already took it out off-roading and got it all muddy and ready to go. He actually almost got stuck out there, but it's going to be such an awesome day. So let's get up with the group and let's get going. So I'm the driver today.
Got a Doritos bag.
Alright, this is where we're gonna start shooting. We'll whip this thing out. Yeah, so the goal for today is just take these Safari 911s and just get some sick shots of them just up here in the sand dunes, ripping around on these hills. I've never been out here before, and this looks so cool. But there we go, Tanner's, and then we got that Safari, and then we got a 912 911 over there. And we have a Huracan Storado coming out. I'm not sure if you saw the Huracan and Gallardo cinematic I put out before this video, but if you haven't, go check it out. It's really cool. Link it up right here. And then we got the Tanner, this cowboy. Look at that.
So this is the starting point right here. That little sand dune's the backdrop. Cayenne's white rock. Mike is darker rock. To go, and the Cayenne's gonna be kind of off on the clock. I guess if you're looking at the clock, it's gonna be like 1 to 2 o'clock. And the Cayenne, Zach, this is where you come in. Try not to drift it, because I don't want to kick sand into Mike. I just want you to keep the momentum, and we're gonna just follow him through his turn.
You make a tighter turn than me.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a lot easier for me to be on the outside of you and if I have to stop, versus if you're on the outside of me and we have to stop.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, if you take a tighter line of what I basically just did, because I'll just come up kind of behind you guys.
You're talking about hopefully just exit this way. We're not gonna do anything crazy like switching around. So the main important thing is to keep the Cayenne on a tighter line, keep it moving, and I'd say try not to like accelerate because you'll dig in.
So we just got this other Safari build come out. And we got the Storado just showed up too. This is gonna be insane. Let me just throw up these photos that I just took of the red Safari. Looked awesome. Now we got this insane Storado. Ready to take a run through the sand. More Safari Porsches. This is a wild day. the Porsche 912 got stuck in the sand over there, and I'm the stunt driver of the Cayenne right now, so we got the stunt driver hat. Got the Safari 911 doing its thing down over there, but yeah, the 912 is stuck. So we're gonna go try and get it out. So yeah, it's a little stuck, just a little bit. So the 912 stuck, and now the Safari lost its reverse gear and is stuck. And
It's
all because
ridiculous!
of this guy.
Whoa, hold on. Putting the blame on.
Well, you broke the reverse, right?
No, I wasn't driving. That was all him.
So yeah, the reverse is broken. We have 2 Porsches stuck.
So basically, while we were driving up this hill, he was trying to put it in reverse, and because he got stuck, it blew out the clutch of the reverse, and he almost blew out his whole clutch. Like, ow.
That would be a good day.
No, bad day.
But today, all things considered, it's still a good day.
It's a great day. We got some great shots, and we're getting a lot of cars unstuck.
2 of 4 stuck.
Way to kill it, bro. How do you think the reverse will do?
I don't know. It, honestly,
the pressure?
it could be linkage got all scattywampus.
Yeah.
And now it just won't find reverse. It's not reverse has an issue.
Oh, it's just it lost the
Being
connection to the reverse.
Yeah, but
Okay.
being that I can get into first just fine, the clutch feels a little funky. To be honest with you.
Well, you.
Hey, we know how to get it out.
Yeah.
After all that, we know how to get it out from this position, though.
Third Porsche stuck.
We're 3 for 3, and 0 Honda Civic stuff.
No Honda Civic stuck, and no Lamborghini stuck either.
That's a good shot.
This is actually kind of a cool photo right here with the car sideways. So Tanner, this is the only Porsche that hasn't been stuck yet today.
Yeah, Cayenne
The
GTS.
Cayenne is the only one that's not been stuck today.
Admittedly so.
Oh, that's so fun. It's so windy right now, but we're trying to catch the sunset, and it's so good. We're gonna send the cars off by themselves, get some drone shots. But it's gonna look sweet. Alright, I think it's gonna wrap up today's video. It was an insane day in these Porsches. I hope you loved all that footage and this just amazing sunset going on here. But thank you again so much for watching. I know I haven't vlogged a ton, and I'm sorry. I'm gonna definitely be a lot better about it, but you just can't beat an amazing day out here with some friends. Got horses just ripping around the desert, and it's such an amazing night. So again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.